You just updated your domain settings. You hit save. You refresh the page, and nothing's changed. Don't panic. Your website isn't broken. You're just waiting on something called DNS propagation. So what actually is it? Every website lives on a server with a numeric address called an IP address. But nobody wants to memorize a long string of numbers, so we use domain names instead. DNS, the Domain Name System, is the Internet's phone book. It translates the name you type into the address of the server it points to. Now, when you change a DNS record, say pointing your domain to a new host, that update doesn't reach the entire Internet instantly. It has to spread, server by server, all around the globe. That spreading process is DNS propagation. So why the wait? The answer is caching. To load pages faster, DNS servers everywhere store copies of your records for a set amount of time. That time is called the TTL, or time to live, measured in seconds. Until that timer runs out, those servers keep serving the old record, even after you've made your change. So how long does it really take? Usually anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. In some cases, it can take up to 24 or even 48 hours to finish worldwide. It depends on your TTL settings, your internet provider, and how fast your registrar pushes the update. Here's a pro tip. If you know a change is coming, lower your TTL a day in advance. That tells servers to refresh sooner so your update spreads faster. And to track progress, use a free tool like whatsmydns.net. It shows propagation status from locations around the world in real time. So next time a DNS change doesn't show up right away, relax. It's not broken, it's just propagating. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit subscribe for more.